Hey folks, I have a tenor ukulele today to show you. It's number 900. And I started this one a few months ago as a stock instrument, and I kind of was saving to finish it off until after my hand surgery. Kind of an easy job that I could finish. And it's already going to our friend Billy in the UK. So the reason to build this stock instrument was to try out this top wood. And this is hemlock, which I've used before. But it's roasted hemlock, or toasted hemlock, or torrefied hemlock, depending on what you call it. Basically, there's a class of wood products now that are not just dried in the air or in a kiln. They're cooked in such a manner that it dries it out quickly and it hardens the resins and kind of changes the cellular structure of the wood. So the science stuff behind it I'm not so up on, but I do know that spruce and maple are very common woods in lutherie now that are torrefied. But this stuff is not designed as a lutherie product. It's designed as a product for contractors. So this hemlock, when it's torrefied, it's more resistant to water and it can be used for exterior applications. So instead of using chemically treated wood, they're trying this instead. So anyway, my friend was doing this trim carpentry job on an expensive house, and he shared all the scraps with me. And it's beautiful quarter sawn, old growth hemlock, all from the same tree. And you know, when it's cooked, it changes the color, so it kind of looks like cedar, which I think is really cool. The back and sides are beautiful, curly myrtle. It's got a simple walnut and fir neck, and the walnut has got some old evidence of its, the fir has got evidence of its old life as a floorboard, and then walnut for the rest, and a very simple binding scheme. So yeah, all woods from the Northwest here. And anyway, this hemlock, I'm liking it because it sounds to me to be almost as much sustain as cedar, almost as much warmth and depth, but it's got a punchier sound. So if someone wants that kind of dark look like Western Red Cedar, but they want a brighter sound, this might be it. And plugged in through the amp, it just sounds incredible. Very long sustain. I'm really impressed with it. So I'm going to keep trying this hemlock. I've got plenty to make tops with, and see what I can learn about it because I really like it. So number 900, a bit of a milestone. Cheers. Thanks for watching.